Hi guys, Mike Flight suggested I should do a manual pulse motor. So what we have here is a wheel with two neodymium magnets on it, just pushed in place so they may fall out. Hole in the middle is the right size for a piece of bicycle spoke. I'll need to tap it through, it'll be a tight fit. The frame also made for a bit of bicycle spoke to go in. Okay, yeah, I'll need to give that bit of a tap. Made that hole a little bit tighter. And then that will sit on top of there, hopefully. That's the idea. I think I've made those holes a little bit narrow. Might have to put a file on there. That's not sitting in as well as I wanted it to. Yeah, and then we'll put a coil underneath and just tap a battery on it and see if we can get the sequence right to make it spin. This is the setup. So we've got our coil. That came from a wireless receiver, but any coil will do the job. I'm using a small LiPo battery because it happened to have been laying on the table here. So I've got one wire into the positive. I've got the wheel balanced, so I've got a tiny bit of extra weight on there to try and bring this naturally down to here, because we need it to be there to start. It's actually just, I don't know if it's close enough to actually get a kick when I, yeah, we get a bit of a kick. So once we get it going, we'll be okay. There we go, one punch or one pulse. Can I time the next one right? No, too soon, stopped it. This is why you use some sort of sensor to actually do the timing for you, because trying to do it by eye, it's not impossible, but it's not easy. Got it. No, too soon. Too soon again. I'm going to go the other way now then. Past. Past. It's got to be just as it's gone past it. You don't want it before it's there, or it goes backwards or stops it. Like that, the wrong way. So there you go. A manually pulsed pulse motor is difficult. Probably be easier if I made myself a little push button switch, to try and get the timing right. Alternatively, I could just set up a little reed switch here to detect the magnet going past, to kick the magnetic pulse or the current to generate the magnetic pulse. Yeah, that'll do. It works. I might rig up a reed switch just to actually do it and make life easier. But the question was manually pulsed, and there we go, manually pulsed. Right, to save me making the effort, I've put a little reed switch there, which is magnetically operated. As the magnet goes past, it makes the switch, which makes the circuit, which creates the magnetism, which pushes the magnet out of the way. And we're just running it on a AA battery there. So it's just directly soldered onto the wires. So that is our pulse switch. The coil out of the wireless receiver module, which I killed, so it's a spare coil, a reed switch, 1.5 volt battery. And that's going under its own steam now. You might be able to see the reed switch moves a little bit as the magnet goes past. That's because the magnet attracts the wires. They must be iron wires or something that's attracted to the magnet. Obviously the reeds themselves are attracted to the magnet, but I found that if I put the reed switch next to the magnet, the connection leads are magnetic as well, or attracted. There we go. That'll keep going until that battery runs out, or until the reed switch fails, because if they get too much current going through them, they carbonize, they spark and create corrosion. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.